tuloy pa rin hanggang sa dulo. You don't have a choice but to be the game of life. When you go to hell, you get all the numbers right. You know na sumigaw, then you win it. I'm on my way.
Nakasulungan sa aking makakabigay.
Cause today's my lucky day. I see the signs on every west. I feel excited cause I know everything's gonna be okay. Today's my lucky day. No one can take this from me. You ain't wrong. Baby, yeah. I feel like a villain tonight. Cause you know, baby, I feel like a villain tonight.
Tara na sa laro, nakakinggas. Sabay yung pangingin na may sasama siya. At isubukan dito sa siya magaganap.
Hey, turn up GS, I'll get a couple haters. A to the Z. Don't wanna play it carefully. You can hit it or like it to set it and see. Keep your eyes on me.
Let's go guys, thank you po sa lahat. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Wala isa pa daw. Gusto nyo ba ba isa pa? Bukas. Gusto nyo ba isa pa?
Parang kulang energy nila, partner.
Kaya mo yan dyan. Kaya mo.
STIS! Gusto pa ba ng isa? Ilang inom lang kami, ha?
Yan, syempre habang naghihintay, parang masaya makarinig ng Aster! 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 Aster!
Guys, yan ipa-perform na namin yung A-Star.
Yes! And guys, speaking of A-Star, yes. So ang A-Star po may release na po this come December 7 in all music platforms. And of course, may event po kami sa December 1 sa Viva Cafe. And sa December 21, Aster Grand Fans Day. So, I hope magkita-kita po tayo lahat. Yes, and syempre before that, gusto lang po pasalamatan lahat ng Twinkles na pumunta pa dito sa Las Piñas. At meron, akalam ko meron pang galing ibang bansa eh. Yeah, there is someone who came from other country just to see Aster. Hello, Mona! Hello, thank you so much for...
Welcome to the Philippines!
Yeah, thank you so much and I hope you're having fun because I have fun. Malit ka, di ka na.
Yes. May tanong pala kami sa inyo.
Sino dito yung mga stan yung mga P-pop groups?
Yan, sino mga P-pop stans dito? Taas ka mo!
Yes.
Yan, sino dito ang mga magiliw? How about 18? How about bullets? Siyempre, last but not the least, blooms! Madami. So, feeling ko meron silang idea kung ano ito-perform natin. Yeah, pero guys, this is just a cover. Hindi mo ano yung original. Ayan, so, Aster, are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, paano siyempre ito natin? Sir, ready? Ang STI ba? Ready na?
Hey!
Ready na, let's